In a recent tragic event, Kyrmen Lyngdoh passed away in Erpakon village, Bhoi District, reportedly after an altercation with an employee of the R N Sharma Hotel. The deceased's body was discovered by villagers on 11th May 2024, with witnesses alleging that he was killed by one Raju Rajbhar, a 43-year-old, during a drunken altercation. Following this incident, Kyrmen Lyngdoh's wife, Kyrmen Lyngdoh, filed a first information report at Nongpok Police Station on the 12th of May. According to Additional Superintendent of Police B. Jirwa from Bhoi District, the suspect has been arrested and a case under Nongpok Police Station, file number 43052024 US 302 IPC, has been registered against him. As of now, investigations into the matter are ongoing.